Okay, on this rebuild, there's going to be certain, I'm no mechanic, so there are going to have to be certain major jobs that will need to be farmed out, and we're talking engine, gearbox, running gear, bodywork and paint. But in a bid to save a little bit of money and even a bit of time, I'm going to try some little jobs that I know I can do just by cleaning up and spray painting small things with an aerosol. So first up is the air filter. So we're going to try that first. Let's have a look at it. Let's start with this, shall we? It doesn't look too bad. We'll have a look at it, see what it looks like when we've taken it apart. Let's open her up. Oh, that is dirty. So is this. Okay. Sorry about the camera angle being a bit on the slide, but that's all we've got at the moment. So all I'm using here to clean this is, as you can see, an old rag and a bucket of water, just to start with. So we'll see what happens here. I'm sure there are lots of people now on YouTube saying, oh, you don't put it in a bucket of water, but I'm sure it'll be okay, quite frankly. And I have some wire wool here for when the going gets tough. But let's carry on with the rag first. Okay, well, it's come up, sort of, but it's a bit cleaner than what it was. Going to let it dry overnight now. If I've got time tomorrow, maybe start giving it some wet and dry to really rub it down properly, and then respray, and we'll see what happens.